Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Naiya and if you are new here, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to encourage you to get into the law and legal field. At this point, you guys, I argue that it's not even a desire, but it is a need. We need more people from different walks, different backgrounds, different cultures, different races, different ages, different gender, different ethnicities to get into the law. That way we can represent the consensus of the United States and everybody's voice can be reflected in the policy, in the law, and in the roots of this country. Without a lot of people from different backgrounds being in the law and the legal field and in the government, it is very hard for legislation to reflect everybody when people are underrepresented or not even there in the first place. So today I want to start with some numbers. In the entire United States, 1.3 million people are attorneys. And you know it's crazy? The amount of attorneys are actually increasing. More and more people are getting into the law and more people are choosing the law and the legal field as a profession. But despite more people getting into the law, that is not true for every single group. Some of my statistics are from both 2023 and 2024, but this is just for you guys to have a general idea. According to data in 2023, only 39% of women are attorneys and only 61% of attorneys are men. We are living in a time where women's bodies, women's rights, women's choices are being questioned, and I'm not saying that's right or wrong, but what I am saying is that if we had more women's voice in the law, we would be able to contribute to the conversation, contribute to the reform, contribute to the policy, or even contribute to the conversation of what things should or should not be allowed. But without women's voices in the field, men are going to continue to be able to make decisions. And I'm saying that everybody should be able to be a part of these conversations. But how you get in these conversations is by being a part of the law and the legal field, especially in today's time and in today's society. So if I want to do anything with this video today, I want to plant a seed for you guys, for whoever's watching, to get interested in the law and realize that it is not just a desire to get into the law, but a need. In 2024, the data shows that only 5% of Black people are attorneys, and only 2.28% of those attorneys are women. So we need more people in the law. That means that there are not a lot of us being represented and there is not a lot of us being able to bring issues forward and to speak without more numbers and without more people being able to join the law and contribute to these conversations from different walks of life. Other statistics show that in 2023, 6% of attorneys are Hispanic, but only 2.5% are women. And Hispanic people make up 19.1% of the population. Again, we are missing Hispanic voices in the law. We are missing Hispanic women's voices, we're missing Hispanic men's voices, and we need your voices to be able to talk about different policy, to be able to be heard for other people and to be incorporated. But we need more people like you entering and being able to speak your truth and being able to show how you are impacted by the laws that exist today. To continue, Asian Americans are actually doing very well in the law, and surprisingly, women are leading. 6.3% of Asian Americans are in the US population and 6% are lawyers. 4.8% of those attorneys are women. That is a huge number, you guys. That means that they're able to be heard. That means that their voices are in the law and they are able to be a part of the conversation. And I want to inspire other minority groups to be a part of the conversation by joining the law and having these conversations on immigration, police reform, gender equality. All these things matter. All these voices should be and deserve to be heard, but it is harder to be heard when there are not a lot of numbers that represent the population of people. So congratulations to the Asian community. You guys are doing great and amazing. And I want to encourage everybody else to kind of create that balance in the law. Now, for Native Americans, they have the lowest number. Less than 1% of people in the law are Native Americans, and that is the lowest number of people in the law. So if you are a Native American, I strongly want to encourage you to get into the law and have your voice be heard. Now, why do these numbers matter? Why is it important for people of these groups to be a part of the conversation? And before I go further, I wanted to actually find how much white women are a part of attorneys and in the law, but I could not find the data. So if you know that answer, please drop it below. We need white women to be able to share their experiences too, to get into the law and to share their walks of life and contribute to the conversations, as well as white men, white women, black men, Hispanic women, Hispanic men, Native Americans, Native American women, Native American men, everybody, you guys. We need everybody to be reflected in the law. That way, the law can reflect the people. Now, Why is this important? This is important because as an attorney, you have the special ability to uphold, defend, enforce, and protect people's personal rights and liberties and hold institutions accountable. Whether you're saving somebody from a mistrial or unfair trial, or you're defending somebody's rights in a criminal law case, or you're a prosecutor making sure that rapists and child molesters are being put behind bars, or you are an immigration attorney and you are making sure a person from another country is coming to this country legally, or you're helping somebody get a green card, or you're helping making sure that somebody in a contract is not getting the short end of the stick, or you're making sure that somebody in a police brutality case is able to get the damages and the compensation that their family deserves in the case of injustice or improper action. Being a lawyer is just so special because you are the only person in a room that truly has the ability to make a difference, to create change, and to protect and defend others. And that's all based on the career path you want to choose. There are lawyers in medical malpractice defending patients from doctors who made a mistake that can almost cost them their life or gave them permanent medical issues. There are lawyers who are going into health policy and trying to help women in maternal mortality. There are lawyers who are going into social justice and making sure that we have restorative programs for offenders. There are lawyers protecting people with disabilities from being evicted out of their house due to manifestations of their disability. There are lawyers in every aspect of the law, and our job is to defend and protect. Even artists in a bad deal, a lawyer will be able to spot the contract and know exactly if it's fair or not, and lawyers are just protecting people and can hold institutions liable and set precedent. Precedent is basically when you bring a case to a court and the judge rules on the matter of the case, and every single case that is similar in facts, a judge is able to follow the previous judge's decision. And as a lawyer, we are able to bring certain issues, certain cases, certain problems to the court based on your client in order to set precedent. And that's how you as a lawyer can help push the needle forward. It's how you as a lawyer can help raise certain issues that maybe some other people aren't interested in raising. Maybe you see the little holes that other people don't see, and you are able to set law in your city, in your county, in your state that forces for the protection of others. I did my research to find out how much people in Congress are actually attorneys. If you don't know what and who Congress is, Congress are elected officials from each state, and they represent the American population in Congress, and they are the ones who make the laws and policy of our nation. So listen to the numbers, you guys. In law, most congressmen are either lawyers, businessmen, or people who did public service or politics. 30% of the House of Representatives are lawyers, and 51% of senators went to law school and also practiced the law. And they're the ones directly making law and policy that shape the world of the United States, that shape the government, that shape local laws, that shape everything. So it is important to make sure that you are heard in the law by going to law school, by becoming a part of the conversation and allowing for your community to be heard. And only 1.4% of people working at a law firm have a disability. Imagine how majority of these laws impact people on race, ability, disability, gender, and we're not even represented in the conversation. But that is not congressmen and lawmakers' fault. It comes from people like me, people like you, people who are different, all joining the law, all coming together and create policy that benefits everybody. So I want to just make this video because I want to encourage you to go to law school. I want to encourage you to get involved in politics. I want to encourage you to be a part of policy that helps your community and helps the United States become united. There's only one race, and it is the human race. And although we are different colors, ethnicities, religions, it is important that we hear and share each other's stories. That way other people can know our walks of life and can think about how we are impacted on a daily basis. So I want to encourage you all to go to law school, and we all want what is best for the United States of America. And I think a big part that can help contribute to this blended family is by having our blendedness be in the law and the legal field. And we need that difference in life to be able to reflect the law. So I want to encourage you guys to all get into the law, to all get into the legal field, and remember that this is not a want, but a need. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. See you guys soon.